All right, let's just jump right in. You've heard the hype, you've seen the headlines, and you're probably using it every single day. I'm talking about artificial intelligence. But have you ever actually stopped and wondered, who's building all this stuff? I mean, think about it. From your Netflix queue to the cars we drive, AI is literally reshaping our entire world. So, who are the architects behind this revolution? Who's in the trenches coding the future right now? Well, that's exactly what we're going to break down today. Welcome to Top Front Dev, the place where we make complex concepts simple. Today, we are diving deep, and I mean deep, into one of the most in-demand, highest-paying, and frankly, coolest jobs in all of tech, the AI engineer. Okay, so first things first. What is an AI engineer? Is that just a fancy name for a data scientist or a software developer? Or is it something else entirely? Let's clear this up once and for all. Okay, think of an AI engineer as the ultimate hybrid. They've got the super analytical mind of a data scientist, the building and scaling skills of a software developer, and the hardcore coding chops of a programmer, all rolled into one. Their entire mission? To build, program, and train these insane algorithms that act like a digital brain, letting machines learn, make decisions, and act on them. Now this slide right here clears up a ton of confusion. So you've got a data scientist, right? They're like detectives, finding hidden insights in data. Then you have a machine learning engineer who builds and trains the models that make predictions based on that data. But the AI engineer, they build the whole thing. They're the ones who take those models and insights and turn them into real-world applications that you can actually use. They don't just find the pattern, they ship the product. So that's the what. Now let's get to the why. Why is this role so unbelievably critical? Because AI engineering is having a massive impact, and you are experiencing it every single day, probably without even realizing it. Ever wonder how Netflix just knows exactly what you want to binge watch next? That's an AI engineer. They built the entire system that analyzes every single click you make to create that perfect, custom-tailored feed. They even personalize the movie posters just for you. If you like comedies, you might see Robin Williams on the poster for Good Will Hunting. How cool is that? It's genius. Now let's look at the physical world. At BMW, AI engineers built a system that uses cameras to inspect parts on the assembly line with insane precision. This AI ensures every single part is placed perfectly, saving just one plant over $1 million a year. That is AI in manufacturing, and that is some serious impact. And listen, it's not just about efficiency, it's about creativity. PepsiCo used generative AI to design the perfect Cheeto. No, I'm serious. AI engineers trained a model to analyze exactly what people love and then help design the ultimate snack. This is where AI engineering gets really, really fun. So you see the impact. Now let's talk about the reward. $239,000. That is the average entry-level salary for an AI engineer in the US. And yeah, that's just to start. Let that sink in. And the demand? It's absolutely exploding. The World Economic Forum says AI and machine learning specialists are one of the fastest growing roles on the entire planet. Job postings are surging like crazy. So the bottom line is this. If you have these skills, companies aren't just looking for you, they are fighting for you. Okay, so you're probably thinking, all right, I'm in, sign me up. How do I get there? Let's break down the toolkit, the essential skill stack you're going to need to become a professional AI engineer. First up, the hard skills, the tech stack. Look, Python is king. It's non-negotiable. You'll also need to master deep learning frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch. And since all AI runs on data, you have to be a pro with big data tech like Apache Spark and, of course, SQL. This is your foundation. Get this right. But, and this is a big but, it's not just about the code. You need the non-technical skills too. You have to be able to explain super complex ideas to people who aren't engineers. You have to understand the business problems you're actually trying to solve. And you have to be a great team player because you'll be working side by side with data scientists, product managers, and other engineers. This quote from Netflix CEO Ted Sarandos just nails it. AI is not going to take your job. The person who uses AI well might take your job. The future belongs to the people who can master the stuff. Building this complete skill set is what will separate you from the crowd and make you a leader in this new era. All right, this is it, the moment you've been waiting for. We've covered the what, the why, and the skills. Now let's put it all together into an actionable plan. This is your ultimate roadmap to becoming a professional AI engineer. Let's break it down step by step. 1. Get a degree in a relevant field like computer science. 2. Specialize. Use online courses or certifications to go deep. 3. And listen, this is key. Get hands-on experience. 4. Build a killer portfolio on GitHub that showcases your work. And 5. Tailor that resume to show off your AI projects and skills.
Now, here's a pro tip, and it's a huge mistake I see people make all the time. Do not just live in the textbooks. Employers want proof that you can actually do the work. Building real projects like your own chatbot or a recommendation engine is the single most important thing you can do. It shows you can apply what you've learned to solve real-world problems. So let's wrap this up. We are living in the middle of a massive tech revolution, and AI is right at the heart of it. The demand is off the charts, the impact is undeniable, and the path to get there is crystal clear. The future is being coded line by line right now. The only question left is, will you be one of the ones building it? And that is a wrap for today's deep dive. I really hope this gave you a clear, actionable path forward. Thanks so much for tuning in to Top Front Dev. Hey, if you got value from this explainer, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It's totally the best way to support the channel, and it makes sure you don't miss our next breakdown. Keep learning, keep building, and I'll see you in the next one.